Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to look at Google Gemini Canvas, which is an new innovation from the Google Gemini team. What exactly the Canvas is? So it is an interactive platform where you can edit in real time, collaborate, and also do the some of the advanced thing like you can also integrate Google services, Docs, and Drive also. And along with that, let me walk you through. Let's have a write an essay on history and chess. So I have used the pre-built-in command. So it will open up a canvas and also write the command for all of these things. So I have here three features: change the length, change the tone, and also suggest some edits here. So you can also ask Gemini to change it. Let me change it. It will again go through it and change the essay. And also I can use export to the docs feature, and I can integrate the drive. These things are there if I want to integrate. So as you can see, I have imported it into the docs, and I can really edit it here whatever I want to do. It is an cool feature. I hope you like the video, and also I wanted to share you that you can only use the canvas, I think, in Gemini 2.0 Flash, but in the thinking and experimental I don't know whether you can use it or not, because you can only use deep research. So if you want to know about how deep research work and what are the model that it uses and how it works, so let me uh, let me know in the comment box, and I'll create a video for that. And you can also personalize it by connecting your drive, but I'm not doing that. So basically you can connect your history and it will personalize based on your uh, history. And there is one deep research. You can ask research AI campaigns on 2025 panning benchmark, so it will go through it and analyze it step by step, and then give you the plan. I'll create a separate video for that if you want me to do that. So if you want to know more about how you can use different model for what kind of use case, you can comment down. I'll create some of the videos related to that. If also if you want to me to create more stuff related to AI and different platform, like when to use Perplexity, when to use Chat GPT, which tool is best for which, so write down in the comment and I'll create a video for it.